In just 2 days of work on the Sava River, a small local museum has uncovered an unprecedented archaeological discovery that places Bosnia and Herzegovina at the heart of pre-Roman European economic networks. This discovery is exceptional and is not an institutional exaggeration. If you are interested in history and archaeological finds, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Join us to explore this fascinating find that changes our understanding of antiquity in Europe. On the Sava riverbed, at the height of Tolisa, the largest known concentration of iron bipyramidal ingots has appeared in Europe. These metal bars, more than 2,000 years old, are linked to the transit between the culture of Latin and the beginnings of the Roman presence in the Balkans. Until now, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, only a single such specimen was preserved in the Sarajevo National Museum. However, the collection recovered in the Sava could exceed in a single point the total accumulated across the continent, which forces to rethink the economic role of this river strip in antiquity. The most surprising thing is that this finding did not begin with a great academic campaign, but with the curious look of an amateur of local history. But Makic detected metal fragments in the murky waters of the river, which led to the mobilization of specialists from the Croatian Institute of Conservation. When the level of the river descended, the team acted quickly and method. The surface was delimited with reference points. The terrain was documented by photogrammetry, and a three-dimensional model of the deposit was prepared. This rigorous approach contrasts with the simplicity of the scenario. Bipyramidal ingots were used as a form of exchange of raw metals in the ancient world. This particular type is associated with the final period of the culture of Latin and suggests a lost cargo, probably during a river accident in the Sava. The geography of the region denies the perception of being a peripheral space. Sava connects with the Danube, facilitating trade between the Balkan interior and the great Central European routes. Research could reveal the origin of the mineral of these ingots and their commercial route. Identifying the chemical signature of iron would allow rebuilding distribution networks and confirm whether Bosanska Posavina was a key exchange node on the eve of Romanization. This would transform our understanding of the organizational capacity of the communities in the area. The Museum of Tolisa has played a crucial role in this discovery, demonstrating that local institutions can make significant contributions to archaeological research. However, the conservation of archaeological iron will require international collaboration. This finding offers a frozen photograph of the moving economy of pre-Roman Europe. It shows that European history was written not only in large cities, but also in forgotten rivers and trade routes. The past waited silently under the waters of Sava. The history of these ingots has just begun, and with it, the possibility that Bosanska Posavina will cease to be a footnote and occupy a central place on the economic map of European antiquity.